Dang, old man, you're running hot, ain't you? Real hot. Are you running hot?
Running real hot.
That header paint to burn your eyes.
Damn right it will. I'm getting the paint cut off.
Well, it looks like we're going to need a radiator, tinker with the carburetors a little bit. This is the first try. We just thought we'd take a chance on that radiator just to see if it did work.
Damn.
I figured it was worth a try. It didn't look bad. We pressure tested it with a water hose, nothing came out of it. But you know, you can't do nothing with a water hose, but...
What do you need pills for, old man?
Them pills, what you need them pills for, old man?
They got an oil pressure problem here.
Yeah. We did have an oil pressure problem when we first started. I didn't have that plug good in the back, and it squirted oil out everywhere, so I hooked the oil line up to it. But it had a good pressure reading on the gauge. So it's a start. We just going to have to pull this radiator out and clean out the fuel jugs and stuff. So that's a good start anyway. I get all my pretty flat black all goobed up with antifreeze. I should have tried it with straight water first, but it's cold as crap here and I didn't want to take a chance on getting any water in the block. So we mixed some antifreeze and put in it. Anyway, we got to start here. So we just got to order us off a radiator and do some more tinkering and it should be ready to go.
Hell yeah.